Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We've got a brand new Catalina Legacy Edition 323BHDSCKLE bunkhouse model. Got a power tongue jack, battery disconnect, pass-through front storage. We've got magnets on the storage doors itself. All you do is lock them in. Solid entry step, 2 entry doors, power awning with multicolor LED light strip, strobe, solid, different colors, controlled from remote. Got a camp kitchen with a griddle, hot and cold water, mini fridge. We've got a 200-pound tailgate storage system that folds down. We have backup camera prep also. Okay, we've got a jackknife couch, folds out to a bed, U-shaped dinette. We've got a 12-volt, 10 cubic foot refrigerator, travel lock built right in, Furrion range 3-burner cooktop and oven. These will turn red when they're activated or blue when they're not. You can shut them off if you want also. Farm sink, fireplace. Now this is the ETV. It's a radio and a TV, Bluetooth, HDMI, multi-control the zones. Very cool. Rooftop air. Now, this is a bunkhouse unit. Come back to the bunks. Lots of storage here. These are our little game cubes. Shower area. And front bedroom. Lots of room to walk around on both sides of the bed. And outlets and USB charging port on both sides of the bed. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.